Hi, it's Shelley from Cromarty. Hope you're all well. So a few weeks ago I showed you some of our crystal cards that we had in. These were the couple that I did. There we go. And these have been really popular. We've also got some new designs. If you haven't seen, check back on the website because there's some nice new designs in there. But we've also got in, on the same range, our crystal canvases. So I did one of these over the weekend and I just wanted to show you. So this is the unicorn and princess. So it's the same principle as the cards, but as you can see, it's a really nice size. And it comes in a kit like this. And inside you get everything you need to make one of these. And they're really good. They're, again, like the cards, they're all in alphabet or numbers with the different numbers and letters on the different coloured crystals. You get your dish that you pop them in, you get your gel that you put your picker into, and then the same thing, you just peel back the plastic and just stick the crystals in the relevant places. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. We have those in stock, and like I say, we also have some really nice new designs of the cards as well. So have a look on the website. Okay, keep safe, bye.